All right, let's jump right in. We're going to tackle one of the biggest questions out there when it comes to money. How fast can you actually double your cash? Turns out, the answer lies in one surprisingly simple number. I mean, this is the goal, right? This is the dream. It doesn't matter if you're starting with $50 or 50,000. You want to know how to make it grow and how to do it fast. But it always feels so complicated, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you that you don't need some complex spreadsheet or a fancy finance degree? What if the secret to understanding your money's growth potential was just one single, almost magical number? That's what we're talking about today. Think of it like a financial cheat code, a simple shortcut that unlocks the secret to watching your money grow way faster than you might have thought was even possible. And here it is, 72. That's it. That's the number. This is the key to the whole thing. Seriously, burn this number into your brain because it is about to change how you look at every single investment you ever make. It's called the Rule of 72, and its power is in its simplicity. It's just a quick mental shortcut, a back-of-the-napkin calculation to figure out the doubling time of your money. No calculator needed. So how does this cheat code actually work? It's this formula right here. It's so easy. You just take 72 and you divide it by whatever annual interest rate you're getting. The number that spits out, that's how many years it's going to take for your money to double. Simple as that. Okay, now let's see how this thing really builds momentum. Because, knowing the formula is one thing, but seeing its power in action, that's where things get really exciting. This is the growth accelerator. Check out these examples. This shows you just how big of a deal a few percentage points are. So at a 6% return, your money doubles in 12 years. Okay, not too shabby. But look what happens at 8%. You're down to 9 years. You just shaved 3 whole years off. And what about 12%? Whoa, you've cut the time in half. Just 6 years to double your investment? And this chart just makes it so obvious, right? Look at how fast that bar shrinks as the return goes up. Every single percentage point you gain isn't just a number on a screen, it's time. It's actual years of your life where your money is working for you faster and faster. And this really is the key takeaway here. It might not feel like a huge deal to go from a 6% return to an 8% return, but over a lifetime of investing, these small differences, they create absolutely massive, life-changing gaps in where you end up. Which brings us to probably the most important point of all. This isn't just about dollars and cents. The real currency here, the thing that truly matters, is your time. And this simple math, it changes everything about how you should think about your future. Just look at these two paths side by side. With a 6% return, yeah, you'll get to financial freedom, but it's the scenic route. It's slower. But on the right, at 12%, you're doubling your money twice as fast. And this isn't just about having a bigger bank account. Every percentage point you earn is literally years of your life that you buy back. That's more freedom, more choices, way, way sooner. And this all boils down to an essential truth. Of course, the rate of return matters a lot, but the amount of time you have for that return to work its magic, that matters even more. Getting started early is the ultimate advantage. It's the biggest cheat code of all. So now that you get the rule and you've seen how powerful it is, it's your turn. It's time to actually put it to use. Let's make this real for you. So what do you say? Ready to find your number? Ready to figure out the doubling time for your own savings, your investments, or maybe even the interest on a loan you've got? Okay, here's what I want you to do. First, just find an annual interest rate on something you have. A savings account, an investment, anything. Now, just take 72 and divide it by that number. That's it. That's your doubling time in years. But remember, this cheat code, it has a dark side. It works on debt too. So that 20% credit card, well, 72 divided by 20, that's 3.6. That means the money you owe can double in under 4 years. It's a crazy powerful tool for understanding both your growth and your risk. And that's really it. That's the rule of 72. The math couldn't be simpler, but the impact, it's absolutely life-changing. Knowing this one little trick gives you so much power to make smarter choices for your future. So the only question left is, what's your doubling time going to be?